Pardon me? Well, that's a way to start off a vlog. But, you know, sometimes these things would happen. Yep, just walking my way through Walmart and avoid the music in case of copyrights. What's going on, guys? It's Eli, back with yet another vlog here at Walmart. I feel like this is the, I don't know, third time in a row where I've done a vlog at Walmart. And oh my goodness, look at this foam head. It's lost its nose. That could be the thumbnail. I could make that the thumbnail. But anyways, happy Saturday to you guys. Happy Saturday. Yeah. The title of this vlog, there's a lot. Again, wishing you guys a happy Saturday. And, tomorrow, actually, and I'd like to do a vlog of this, and if he shows up, tomorrow's my dad's birthday, if you guys didn't know already. And, yeah, it's gonna be exciting. And, you know, because, interesting thing is that, coincidentally, me and my fiance, we have our birthdays around the same time as our dads. Her dad, his birthday's in October, and her birthday, of course, being November. And for my birthday, well, it was last month, February. And my dad's birthday, March. So, yeah. So that's pretty cool. I'm sure anybody else, if you have your birthdays before or after the month of, you know, your dad's birthdays, you know, your parents, anybody in your family. But another thing is, in the title of this vlog, yes, the weather today. Well, it is very, it's a nice day today. The weather's pretty good. Spring upon us. But the wind has been blowing like crazy. Like, almost like makes you feel like you're about to be blown away, you know? Maybe like saying Mary Poppins, I don't know. But even at one point, when I went back to the car to bring some bags in, recycling, some woman and her child, like, one item that was in their cart had blown away, but of course they recovered it. So, yeah, that's how bad the wind is. And if any of you have been having that experience too with the wind, you know, there's even that that video that was taken of the 1996 or 7 Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, and in that, in the video, the Barney balloon had popped because of how strong the wind was. Did anybody see that video? It's on YouTube, so obviously that's what Barney gets. Nobody likes Barney, but there are those. And oh gosh, yeah. My thoughts on the Barney reboot, remake, whatever. I don't know. I mean, he looks I mean, doesn't have those creepy eyes, so. But oh well. And I made my way to like the paint section, as you guys could see. But yeah. Not making a very long vlog, just making a short one. Just coming at you with another vlog before the end of this month, and hopefully, yeah, I'm gonna try to get another vlog out, you know, by tomorrow, because, you know, my dad's birthday. So, yeah. My Nana, my dad's mom, is planning to make a cake for him, and, yeah, that'll be exciting. By the way, also wearing Mickey. I think my dad had this shirt before. I can't remember. Might have been at Downtown Disney. I can't remember. I'll have to ask him. But before we sign off, just a quick look at the toy section. Why not? That's a fun place to go. Huh, I don't see the Mario stuff. Maybe they must have moved it. The last time I was here, you saw it in the vlog. They had a Mario box section, whatever those are called. But here are the Legos. The girly stuff and the... Here's the DC and Star Wars stuff. Jurassic World? Power Rangers? Star Trek? Yeah. Well, I don't know. I don't see the Mario stuff. Oh, well. They're around, but I just don't see them. Alright. With all that being said... Oh, okay. Here they are. Did they move this? They must have moved this. I thought it was a bit further down, or... I feel like it was. But here's the Mario stuff. Pretty cool. With the carts and the figures that come with them. Now, that's pretty cool. You put the figures in the cars. That's awesome. I'm still looking forward to the Super Mario Bros. Movie. Definitely, I gotta go see that in theaters. Again, it seems like it's promising. The animation looks beautiful. And, you know, say what you will about Chris Pratt's Mario voice, but, you know, we haven't really heard that much of his voice. If they're going with that, Boston accent or whatever the heck it is, you know, just like, say, some of the other Marios, Bob Hoskins, Lou Albano, Brooklyn, I think it's Brooklyn accent. And Mario had that accent, like, you know, aside from the Italian accent, but Chris Pratt having, it's like a combination of his voice and the Italian voice. So, we'll just have to wait and see. But with all that being said, I have to get going. Again, just wanted to come at you guys with one more vlog, and I'd like to get another vlog out. One more for this month, and not to mention my dad's birthday. So, anyways, guys, I'm out of here. Be back with more vlogs, and of course, more new content is on the way before the end of this month. So, keep looking forward. You guys have a happy and safe Saturday, and I'll see you guys in the next video / vlog. And by the way, today would have been when me and my dad, we went to that convention that I mentioned a couple times, and that the place that he works at, they were sponsoring, but sadly couldn't happen, which is a bit of a shame. I know he wanted to do it too, but something else came up. It's one of those things, you know. Anyways, I'm in my way to the baby section, but okay, I'm off for sure. Take care and peace out.